Hey, what's going on, guys? Daryl Lane here, head mentor at the Vagrant Trader Collective, and just wanted to chat with you about a question I had asked to me the other day. Someone asked me, "Are trading courses worth it?" And the answer to the question is yes, but there's another answer also. Can you learn how to trade without paying for a course? Absolutely, but it's probably one of the longest ways to learn because you're not sure of the order of information, right? So you're going to use YouTube videos, you're going to use online, you're going to use books. It's going to take a lot longer to understand those concepts and the language that's used in those types of resources. But yes, you can actually do it. But trading courses offer valuable insights and strategies and foundational knowledge for people who are looking to enter into the world of trading because they're structured. Okay. So instead of navigating that vast ocean of information like I just shared, the trading course itself is going to be structured and have a systematic approach to learning, which is going to ensure all essential topics are covered. So on your own, you may miss some things, but in a course, at least a course that's done by someone who has some level of trading experience, you're going to find that their experience is going to provide access to information and knowledge. These courses also can have some level of expertise. A course curated by someone who's seasoned can offer you insights and strategies that they've used that have helped them acquire success in trading. Okay, this is going to be hard to do on finding like free resources and piecemealing everything together. Okay, interactive content. A lot of times the courses are going to offer interactive content, quizzes, exercises that can help enhance your overall learning experiences. There's also networking opportunities. Typically, enrolling in a course may provide opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals and help foster discussions and collaboration. You also have kind of that community aspect to it where there's people that you can bounce your experience off of. Cost versus value. While there are a lot of free resources available online, the adage is kind of like, right, you get what you pay for. Paid courses often offer more in-depth content and ongoing support. So you may have access to exclusive tools, webinars, maybe even private access to the actual person that's teaching the information. So there's that added security benefit of knowing there's someone or a community that you can reach out to. You want to be aware of false promises. Any course that's promising guaranteed success, get rich quick, super secret strategies should be approached with a caution because trading does involve risk and nobody can provide you a foolproof method. All trading methods that are out here, a lot of them work, but they don't all work in every single market condition. So that's going to be something to understand. Access to continuous learning. Trading environments and strategies will evolve, and a good course is going to instill the importance of continuous learning. But that course creator is also going to constantly be updating and adding new things into the course as their skill set continues to level up. So just wanted to touch base on that. And I'll share with you honestly, when it comes to what we do here at the Vagrant Trader Collective, if you're considering some sort of a course, definitely take a look, check us out. There's a ton of great mentors and great people who have course material online. So I'm not going to say any one course is better than the other. It's all about what resonates with you as a person. Okay. But hit us up at vagranttradercollective.com, or you can check us out on Instagram at Vagrant Trading Academy or at Vagrant Trader Insights. We'd be happy to help you out, answer any questions that you may have, and get you started on your journey towards profits. Thanks for listening. Please like, please subscribe, and look forward to chatting with you on our next video. Take care.